Are you looking for the best laser engraver under 500 in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best laser engraver under 500 that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Ortur Laser Master 2. Equipped with ultra-fine compression, it will deliver consistent quality. It even has different laser module options to fit every engraving need. This, along with its ability to handle a heavy workload, makes the Ortur Laser Master ideal for small businesses. If you want some hobby laser cutters, consider something more affordable. You don't need a heavy-duty laser engraver for some work now and then. It also has safety protection to prevent fires and turns off automatically when not in use. Perfect for saving your electric bill and cutting business costs. That's not all. This laser engraver also offers eye protection, filtering up to 97% UV light to avoid damage. I could work on laser engraving without the hassle of wearing laser safety glasses and avoid discomfort and blurry vision while working on my laser engraving. Now, let's look at the cons. First, the Ortur Laser Master 2 requires quite some time to master. It can be challenging for beginners to learn how to operate it to get their desired drawings and designs on the engraving area, so you will have to dedicate some time and effort to master it. Up next in the 4th place is the Atomstack A5 Pro 40W. The Atomstack has a laser module that boasts of having more of a fixed focus laser. It has more focused energy that produces a good quality engraver. Its focal length is also 50 mm for an enhanced cutting experience. The Laser Master also comes with an eye protection cover to shield your eyes from damage by harmful UV light. Aside from that, this excellent laser engraver doesn't have additional features, but it covers all the basics you want an entry-level, best laser cutter to have. It is also fast and easy to assemble, and foolproof. It doesn't end there. It's also compatible with almost any software there is. Definitely one of my favorite engravers on the list. The 3rd product on our list is the Vevor CNC 3018 Pro. It's a cheap laser cutter, so you don't have to worry about making money off it to get a return on your investment. The Vevor CNC 3018 Pro also features a 3-step motor system, providing good quality laser engravings. My engravings looked better with this tool. It also does an excellent job engraving small things, which can be fun to try out if you're starting. Using this laser engraver, you will learn to use CNC and 3D carving. However, the small size can be limiting for those who will use it for business. Also, it can sometimes be quite a hassle to set up on your computer software, and the engraver sometimes takes a while to connect. Second on our list is the Laserpecker 1 Pro. The Laserpecker Pro 1 differs from other laser engraving machines that can handle heavy usage. Instead, it's for those who want to explore the art of laser engraving and see if it leads to something more serious. This laser engraver is tiny and only occupies a little space in your workroom, so it's ideal if you can commit to having large equipment in your area later. Additionally, this cheap laser cutter is not dedicated to a specific engraving software, nor is it dependent on a piece of separate equipment for you to be able to maximize its use. It also comes with an app that will walk you through how to use it step by step, so you'll know everything you need in as fast as 20 minutes. In short, it's a small, easy to set up and use, independently working budget laser cutter that delivers good quality laser engraving work. Finally, the top product on our list is the Comgrow Z1 laser engraver. The Comgrow Z1 laser engraver is the most affordable laser engraver at 10W, and it even comes with free software. It also features a dual Y-axis motor, which makes it run smoothly, improving both ability and speed. The Comgrow Z1 laser engraver on the Z-axis will give you up to 155 m of travel. It's a manual setup that you have to adjust yourself, but you get a wide range of space without having to block the laser beam while using it. And, of course, the almost 4-inch space means you can do laser engraving on larger cylindrical objects, like drinking glasses and tumblers. The Comgrow laser engraving machine also features switches. These will help give the laser cutting process a consistent homing, which will be very helpful when doing intricate designs or redoing a previous project. This budget laser engraver also features a safety tilt feature, where the laser cutting will automatically be stopped if the machine detects a tilt of at least 20 degrees. Another safety measure it has in place is the laser protective cover. It's an acrylic shroud over the head of the laser engraver, which keeps the laser beam contained to the project itself. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.